Hey, this is Tim Chase with 719 Lending. I don't know if you know this, but VA doesn't actually loan you money. Interesting, right? VA sets guidelines and different lenders are the ones who actually loan you money. Now, some of you may already know this and you're thinking, oh, what's the big deal? Let me explain a couple details into this of why this is a big deal. So, VA sets the guidelines, the lender loans you the money, but the lender doesn't have to loan you the money based off VA's guidelines. Interesting point. So VA, as an example, VA doesn't have a credit score limit. VA will loan down to, or they'll approve a loan down into whatever credit score. They have no written credit score limitation. So a lender then steps in and says, well, I think that my limit is 620 because that's where we're comfortable. Everybody for VA for my bank has to be 620. The next lender jumps in and says, well, wait a minute. Every lender for my bank has to be a 580. And so on and so forth. Now, it doesn't just happen with credit scores. It happens with all kinds of guidelines. So here's why that's important to you. If you go and you apply for a VA loan to purchase a home and you get declined for whatever reason, it may not be because it's a VA rule. It may be because it is a bank rule. Now, the best way to figure that out is ask your loan officer. Is this a VA rule or is this what we call an overlay with your bank? Now, the loan officer may not actually know. So then what you want to do is you want to find out why it was declined, and you want to go and talk to a mortgage broker and find out, do you have any investors amongst your many investors that will actually do this loan for me? Or talk to 2 or 3 other banks. Talk to a couple places and find out if that was a VA loan issue or if it was a lender loan issue. So that's your quick rule for the day, is don't necessarily accept it just because they say you can't get a VA loan. Make sure you shop around and feel free to call me. I'll answer any questions you have and get you the exact VA guidelines. Number here is 719-231-4893. Tim Chase at 719 Lending. We're here to serve our veterans.